Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today, we are going to be creating this simple animated scene. Are you ready? I know that I am. We are going to be using a lot of animations today. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Insert, and I'm going to get my pictures from the internet. So I'm selecting Online Pictures, and I'm going to search for cartoon background. Scrolling all the way down to find a cartoon background that I like. Okay, here it is. Perfect. Select Insert. There's my background. I'm going to scroll and remove the writing by using backspace. Now I'm going to find my snails because my snails are going to be racing. Type in cartoon snails. This will be my first snail. Go ahead, select Insert. I'm going to place him right here. Make him a bit smaller. Always remember to click on the box to adjust the sides using the arrows. I'm going to go to Select again. Cartoon snails. Now, one reason why I did not select all three at once is because they will come up as one file. I'm going to remove the writing. Move my snail to the side. Now I have one more snail to get, so I'm going to go to Insert, Online Pictures, Cartoon Snails. This will be my last snail. Now here is the fun part. If you notice, the snail has a white background. Now what I'm going to do is to select on Picture Tools, Remove Background, and I am going to select Mark Areas to Keep. Go ahead, stretch this a bit more. Now I'm going to click on the eyes so that I can get back his eyes white. Click on his teeth so that I can get his teeth back into the picture. And perfect. Click on the side and we have removed our background. Go ahead and make him a bit smaller. And the last thing I'm going to add is a butterfly. Yeah. Now I'm going to select this butterfly. Make it smaller. Now because my butterfly had flipped, I'm going to flip it the other way. So I'm going to start with the two snails at the front. Go to Animation. Select both snails. Control. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to select Line for my animation. Also going to select Animation Plane so that I can control all my animations from that side. A bit smaller. Now if you notice, they are placed down because the line is placed down. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the side. I'm going to turn it, have my snail run all the way over here. I'm going to do the same for the other one. Grab it, have my snail turn all the way over here. And I'm going to adjust the speed Going to put it at 875. Select the other one, put it at 875 also. And I can replay to see how they're going to crawl across. Okay. Now I'm going to do the other snail. He's going to be a bit slower. I'm going to do animation. Scroll down. For this snail, I'm going to create his path. Going all the way around. He's taking his little time. Now I'm using the curvy path. There he is. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. Put him at 10 seconds. Change it so that he appears after the previous snails. And lastly, I'm going to do my butterfly. You can also use these animation options if you'd like. However, I'm just using the lines for today. My butterfly will be moving all the way around. And there goes my butterfly. I'm going to go ahead and replay all. Now we are all done. I had fun today and I hope that you had fun. See you in the next class. Goodbye.